Rustic bathroom vanities are emerging as a stunning embodiment of modern craftsmanship and eco-luxury interiors, transforming how we perceive luxury by intertwining the natural world with contemporary design. These vanities, characterized by their organic textures, unique finishes, and handmade qualities, offer much more than mere functionality. They serve as statement pieces that connect homeowners with nature while enhancing the aesthetic of their spaces. The shift toward rustic designs in bathroom vanities is underpinned by a growing awareness of sustainable materials and practices, ultimately redefining what it means to experience true luxury in our homes. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of rustic bathroom vanities design ideas where sustainable wood meets modern eco-luxury. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. At the heart of this movement lies the use of reclaimed and sustainably sourced woods, which add character and richness to each vanity. Every piece of wood carries a story, whether it originates from an old barn, a fallen tree, or a sustainable forest. The unique grains, knots, and imperfections reflect the beauty found in nature, reminding us that luxury cannot be manufactured. It must be cultivated through originality and respect for the environment. By opting for reclaimed wood, artisans breathe new life into materials that may otherwise be discarded or go unnoticed, creating vanities that are not only beautiful, but also imbued with meaning and history. This connection to the past elevates the design, allowing the vanity to become a focal point that sparks conversation and admiration. The integration of sustainable materials in rustic bathroom vanities highlights the importance of conscious design, an approach that prioritizes not only aesthetics, but also environmental impact. Utilizing eco-friendly finishes, such as natural oils and water-based stains, further emphasizes the commitment to sustainability while enhancing the wood's natural beauty. These finishes allow the grain to shine through, adding layers of depth and warmth that create inviting atmospheres in modern bathrooms. The choice of materials extends beyond wood, incorporating elements like stone, recycled metals, or even artisan ceramics can add texture and variety, forging harmonious connections with the natural world. The rise of rustic vanities reflects a broader cultural shift toward a lifestyle that values quality and authenticity over mass-produced goods. In an age dominated by consumerism and homogenization, these handcrafted pieces provide a refreshing antidote, celebrating individuality and the artistry of skilled artisans. The craftsmanship involved in creating these vanities often requires a meticulous attention to detail and a deep understanding of the materials being used. Every joint, finish, and surface tells a story of careful consideration, reinforcing the notion that true luxury lies in the creation process itself, rather than merely in the final product. As homeowners increasingly seek to curate meaningful spaces, rustic vanities offer an opportunity to invest in pieces that resonate with their unique tastes and values, elevating their bathrooms into personal sanctuaries that reflect a connection to nature. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, rustic bathroom vanities are also designed with functionality in mind. In harmony with contemporary needs, they can incorporate modern amenities while retaining their organic essence. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. Features such as soft-close drawers, integrated lighting, and innovative storage solutions marry the beauty of rustic design with the practicality demanded by busy lifestyles. This seamless fusion of form and function demonstrates that luxury is not solely about opulence. It can also encompass convenience and thoughtful design. A well-crafted rustic vanity serves as a hub in the bathroom, providing a workspace that balances beauty and utility, ensuring that the space remains both a refuge and a functional area for daily routines. Moreover, the impact of these vanities extends beyond individual homes to broader ecological and social implications. By prioritizing the use of reclaimed and sustainable materials, homeowners take an active role in promoting sustainable practices within their communities. This decision encourages the market for eco-friendly products, supporting the artisans and businesses that champion sustainability. Each purchase of a rustic bathroom vanity can contribute to a growing movement that values environmental responsibility and supports conscious consumption. Additionally, this shift in consumer preferences fosters awareness around the importance of preserving natural resources, prompting manufacturers to prioritize eco-friendly practices and materials in their production processes. The collaborative spirit inherent in the creation of rustic bathroom vanities further enhances their significance in the modern craft landscape. Artisans often collaborate with local suppliers, designers, and builders, building relationships that reinforce community ties and promote local economies. This interconnectedness creates a supportive ecosystem where creativity flourishes, allowing for the exchange of ideas and techniques that elevate the quality and craftsmanship of the products being offered. Such collaborations often inspire innovative designs that push the boundaries of traditional rustic aesthetics, resulting in pieces that feel both fresh and timeless, enriching the design landscape available for modern interiors. As homeowners continue to explore ways to connect with nature within their living spaces, rustic bathroom vanities become more than just functional objects. They stand as embodiments of a lifestyle that prioritizes beauty, conscientiousness, and sustainability. By fostering a connection with the earth and its resources, these vanities encourage ongoing dialogues about how we interact with our surroundings and the materials we choose to incorporate into our homes. They remind us that true luxury lies not merely in lavish designs, but in the time, care, and thoughtful consideration put into crafting unique pieces that resonate with both nature and human experience. Furthermore, as rustic bathroom vanities grace modern interiors, they offer a sense of nostalgia that transports homeowners to simpler times. The textures and craftsmanship evoke a sense of warmth and comfort, inviting relaxation in personal spaces. In a fast-paced modern world where technology often dominates our lives, these vanities serve as reminders of the value of manual craftsmanship and the aesthetic pleasures found within nature. They inspire us to slow down, appreciate the art of creation, and consider how we can incorporate the natural world into our everyday lives. In rustic bathroom vanities represent a fusion of modern craftsmanship and eco-luxury interiors, providing a captivating avenue for sustainability, beauty, and functionality. Through the use of reclaimed woods and sustainable materials, these vanities become statement pieces that connect the elegance of nature with contemporary design principles. The craftsmanship involved in creating these pieces embodies a reverence for originality, care, and conscious design, reminding us that true luxury is a reflection of our values and our intention to preserve the environment. As we invite these pieces into our homes, we embrace a lifestyle that honors the past while looking forward to a sustainable future, ultimately redefining the concept of elegance as we evolve in our understanding of what it means to create beautiful, meaningful spaces. In the realm of interior design, rustic bathroom vanities are more than mere furniture. They are gateways to authentic, eco-conscious living that emphasizes individuality and celebrates the artistry of nature's raw materials. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked rustic bathroom vanities design ideas where sustainable wood meets modern eco-luxury. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.